Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how we achieved this nail look. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It helps me to know that you guys enjoy this type of content. If you want to see how we achieve this, please continue to watch. Okay you guys, let's go ahead and jump into the application process. I am first going to be applying my Model 1's Nail Prep Dehydrator to all of the nails. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to apply a layer of the base coat. Extensions that I'm going to be applying today are going to be the soft gel nail tips, and this is in the medium stiletto for Model 1s. To apply my extensions, I'm going to be going in with the Model 1's 4-in-1 nail glue for nail tips. I'm going to apply the gel inside of the base of the extension where it's already pre-etched. that all of the nails are applied, I'm going to go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds. I am going to be using the newest Model 1's Get Mini Salon, which is perfect for the spring. This is in Demure Bloom, and let's go ahead and crack this open. I'm excited to open this guy up and see what's inside. One of the first cool things I noticed is that the color palette is actually here on the side. That's not something that they've done before, nor have I ever noticed the name on the label. So that's really cool, especially when you go in to order online. It just makes it a bit easier when ordering and picking out the color of your choice. Of course, it comes with 4 colors, which we were able to preview on the side of the packaging. So we're pretty much just in that pinky family, really pretty. I'm already thinking about what look I want to create with these colors today. We also have a base coat and a top coat, which is also standard for the Get Mini Salons. Of course, in every Get Mini Salon, you will also have a UV LED lamp. This again is standard. You're going to receive the light with the USB-C cord as well. Model 1's nail remover wraps. This does have the nail remover plus solution in them, so this is a really nice, quick and easy way to remove your manicures. We also have the little pack with the cuticle pusher. That is a dual-sided cuticle remover as well. Our nail file and another cuticle pusher here. They also included this really cute pair of tweezers that are pink. These are great to use for stickers and rhinestones, all the different placement. And of course, a golden standard is the limited edition festive stickers that comes inside of the package. These stickers are so cute. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use these. I'm just thinking about what kind of nail style I want to create today, and these stickers definitely make that idea a bit easier. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and hop into the design. And thank you again to Model 1's for sponsoring today's video. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. A special thank you again to Model Ones for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to thumbs the video up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.